When submitting relationship evidence for your marriage, green card, or fiancé visa case, it's really important to ensure that you aren't submitting contradictory, confusing, or damaging evidence that will cause your case to either be denied or thrown into a fraud investigation. So, how do you avoid making this common mistake? I'll give you a few examples. There's lots of different examples that I've seen over my career in practicing immigration law, but I'm going to give you a few of the most common things that I've seen where couples have submitted contradictory or damaging evidence. So the first one is submitting statements about your relationship. So say the couple, they will each submit their own letter, and then they have letters from friends and family. Well, they don't go through and check all the details carefully of the letters and make sure that the dates are accurate. So the date for meeting, the date of engagement, how the couple met, when they got married. If any of those dates have inaccuracies, or if they're different in the letters, that's contradictory evidence. It will cause a red flag, and it will cause issues in your case. Another common example I've seen is in fiancé visa cases. So the couple is engaged, and you have to be engaged, not yet married, to file a fiancé visa. And I've seen couples submit wedding photos. So they have maybe a celebration, a religious ceremony, or some kind of celebration with friends and family, and they put captions that it's wedding, or the photos appear to be wedding photos. And then immigration will either send a notice of intent to deny, or they will deny the case and say that it appears the couple is already married. So you can see there's a lot of different pitfalls that you can run into when submitting relationship evidence. And so it's really important that you go through your evidence and you ensure that your evidence is not contradictory, that the evidence is not confusing, and that the evidence will not be damaging to your eligibility for the benefit that you are seeking, such as the fiancé visa. If you'd like to learn more about the common mistakes to avoid, be sure to subscribe to this channel, Immigration for Couples. And I have tons of videos that I'm going to be releasing about relationship evidence and the mistakes that you should avoid. So be sure to subscribe if you want to learn more. And I also have a free resource center. I'll put a link in the comments, Immigration for Couples. We have free downloadable charts that go over the steps involved in the fiancé and spouse visa process, relationship evidence guide. So that link will be in the comments. Thanks so much for watching.